Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I will be introducing you to polynomials. So before we begin, I will first let you know what polynomials are. A polynomial is an expression consisting of variables and coefficients that involves only the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and non-negative integer exponents of variables. The word polynomial consists of the Greek word poly, meaning many, and nomen, meaning numbers or terms or name. Put that together and you end up with many names or terms. Now you know the definition of a polynomial. We will be proceeding to knowing or understanding which expressions are polynomials and which are not. Here are some examples of polynomials. This is the first example. 9x cubed plus 3x squared plus 10x plus 1. Here's the second example. 6a squared plus 9. The third example, 8. And the fourth example, 7y squared plus 8y plus pi. Here are examples of expressions that are not considered polynomials. The first example is 10x raised to negative 5 plus 5x squared minus 4x cubed plus 9. The second example is 4a raised to 1/2 minus 3. And the third example is 9 square root of a minus 4. And the fourth example is 5a raised to y minus 5. The reasons these are not considered polynomials and these are because if you look closely, the first example has a term with a negative exponent, which a true polynomial shouldn't have. Together with this example is not a polynomial too since its exponent is no longer an integer. Together with this example is no longer a polynomial because a variable has been square rooted. If you convert this, it would end up being like this. Finally, this expression is not a polynomial because it has a variable as an exponent. Moving on, we will be discussing the classifications and degrees of polynomials. The polynomial 8 can be considered a polynomial in the first place since always remember that there is an imaginary x raised to 0 beside that number and it only has one term in the whole expression, so the polynomial can be classified as a monomial. This one here is a binomial since it has two terms, and this here is a trinomial. Finally, this expression is a polynomial because it has more than 3 terms. Now you know how to classify polynomials. We will be proceeding to finding the degree of a polynomial. To find the degree of a polynomial, you simply have to get the exponent of the term in the polynomial, which is the highest, like in this example. You can figure out that 3 is the polynomial's degree since one of its terms has an exponent of 3, which is the highest exponent in all of the terms. Now if you pair this classification of each monomial, this would be a third degree polynomial, this one is a second degree binomial, this one is a 0 degree monomial, and this is second degree trinomial. That is it everyone. I hope you've learned something new from this video. Until next time.